Welcome to Benijófar, a charming Costa Blanca village where modern living meets traditional Spanish charm. Introducing this beautiful new residential development, perfectly positioned close to local amenities, golf courses, and just 15 minutes from the beaches of Guardamar and Torrevieja. This exclusive complex offers a range of new-build homes, from stylish ground-floor apartments starting at €253,000 to elegant penthouses with private solariums priced up to €441,000, and even spacious villas with private gardens. Each property is designed with bright, open-plan living, high-quality finishes, and access to a stunning communal rooftop pool. Whether you're searching for a permanent home, a holiday retreat, or an investment opportunity, these new builds in Benijofar offer something truly special. Whether you're looking for a full-time home in the sun, a holiday retreat, or a smart investment opportunity, this is a development that truly has it all. Visit welcomeestates.com today to learn more, book your private viewing, or reserve your dream home. Your new life in Spain starts here.
Welcome Estates, your trusted partner for finding dream homes in Costa Blanca, Spain. Beautiful new build villas, seaside apartments, and country fincas. Start your journey today at welcomeestates.com and let us find your perfect home.